When I joined Clay, our support team was basically answering all of our customers' questions in one channel in a Slack community.
At Clay, we get between 6,000 and 7,000 customer questions every month, which is just a super high volume. And we had a lot of conversations and a lot of customers asking us questions.
And we just couldn't keep up with hiring as many people as we needed. We really didn't have another choice but getting an AI solution for our support queue. When we embarked on an evaluation with Finn, it was really important to us that the support team was excited about this technology that we were bringing onto the team. So we took real support questions from our queue, had the team basically grade the quality of Finn's responses, and 70–80% of the tickets Finn responded to in a way that the team was like, wow, yes, that was a great response, almost exactly how I would have responded to a ticket like that.
There was just a lot of transparency baked into how you were able to sort of execute Finn. It really allowed me to be hyper-specific and hyper-aware of exactly what sort of answers we were giving to customers and how we were sort of deploying this thing.
Through the evaluation with the Intercom team, we felt a lot of confidence that if we saw an issue, they were going to be there right away to jump in and support us.
What Finn basically unlocked for us is that there's very few tickets at this point that we get that don't see Finn first. And with that, we're able to deflect between 45 and 50% of our total volume. And just last month, we actually unleashed Finn onto email, and we're now involving Finn in 90% of our conversations, which is really exciting.
With the support of the Intercom team, there was no hurdle that was too high. One of the most inspiring parts of this journey of implementing AI into our support channels has been seeing how really everyone at Intercom, it seems like, took on the role of customer success.
It's almost like the world is our oyster now because we know that we can tap into all these other systems and we can bring this really powerful AI agent into the processes and the places where our customers are, which has been really fun to see.